Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 2 from the Highgate paper B. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. Tickets to enter a fairground cost £7 for adults and £3 for children. Once inside the fairground, each ride costs £3 for adults and £1.50 for children. Joe and his two grandchildren, Amy and Peter, go to the fairground. Joe goes on 2 rides and Peter goes on 4 times as many rides as Amy. In total, they spend £34 between them. How many rides did Peter go on? For this question, we are going to be using the block method that we used in previous questions. First, consider how much Joe and the kids spent on the entry fee. This will be 7 plus 3 times 2, giving you £13. We then subtract this from 34, giving you £21. Joe went on 2 rides, meaning he spent 3 times 2, £6 in total. So the total spent on kids' rides is 21 minus 6, which is £15. To find how many rides they went on, we do 15 divided by 150, giving you 10. This is the total number of rides the kids went on. We are told that Peter goes on 4 times as many rides as Amy, meaning Peter has 4 blocks and Amy has 1 block. So if 5 blocks is equal to 10, then 1 block will equal 2. Therefore, Peter went on 8 rides, as we know 4 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, your final answer is 8. Let's move on to the next question. A watch shop has a 2-day winter sale. On the first day, 2/3 of all the watches are sold. On the second day, a quarter of the remaining watches are sold. The shop sold 72 watches on the first day. How many watches were sold on the second day? For this question, we are going to be using the bar method that you will have been taught in class. First, we are going to split the bar into 3 days. The 2 sections are given to day 1. The last section is then split into 4, and 1 section of this is given to day 2. If we were to evenly split all the sections into quarters, then we would have 8 sections on day 1. We are told that 72 watches are sold on day 1. So we know 8 bars are equal to 72 watches, meaning 1 bar is equal to 9. Therefore, your final answer is 9. Let's move on to the next question. A rectangle is split into 2 smaller rectangles, labelled A and B. Rectangle A is shaded. 1/7 of the original rectangle is shaded. With scissors, I cut off and remove 1/3 of rectangle B. What fraction of the remaining shape is now shaded? If we are told that A is 1/7 of the original rectangle, then we can give A 1 block and B 6 blocks. If 1/3 of B is cut off, then we take off 2 blocks, meaning we are now left with 4 blocks. Therefore, the remaining number of blocks is 5, as you do 1 plus 4, which gives you 5, meaning the fraction remaining of the shape is now 5/7. Thank you for watching. We hope you have been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.